Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today we're making a ginger fever punch. It's less than 90 days to Christmas and this is about the time of year when my wife starts to get extremely happy and excited about Christmas. So therefore she's picked this one out. It's a tequila based cocktail, tequila, pomegranate. The garnish does call for a sprig of rosemary. My rosemary looking pretty damn miserable. So I'm going to substitute that for some fresh mint, give it some nice aromatics. We've got some ginger there. It's going to add a little bit of spice. And then I'm also substituting, instead of Fever Tree, I'm using Cappy spicy ginger because A, it's Australian, it's local, and B, it's a spicy ginger. So it does have a little bit of heat to it. So it should go quite nicely with the tequila. So I'm using Herradura Blanco Tequila. So we've got 45 ml, 1.5 ounces. We've got pomegranate juice. I've already had a couple of cocktails, so bear with me. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. That's 100% juice, no additives, no extra sugar, anything like that. And then I'm going to squeeze out 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. Try not to blind myself. Some fresh lime. Followed by ginger syrup, 15 ml, half an ounce. Add some warming spice, some heat. Then I've got fresh grapefruit juice. 15 ml, half an ounce. Approximately 15 ml, half an ounce. And then we add ice, give it a shake. Strain it over fresh ice. Yes, Kat. What? What have I done wrong? What would you like me to do better? Was that it?
No.
What's wrong? Yes. Sure. So this was created by Shawn Chen of Decoy and RedFarm, 2 Chinese restaurants in Manhattan. When I usually add sodas, sparkling drinks, a spritz, anything like that, I usually like to add it into the shaker first so it kind of mixes throughout the drink. Or you can strain it into the glass and top it up. It's completely up to you. Oh, it's so pretty. That actually does look very nice. Looks delightful. Cat. It's got a slice of grapefruit. Nice healthy sprig of mint. Straight from Mum's garden. Thanks, Mum. And I'm going to get accosted for using an incredibly old looking pomegranate, I know. And use a wooden spoon or something. Give it a bit of a whack. Probably do it over a bowl. I'm a complete amateur when it comes to pomegranates. What's the trick? You normally just whack it up.
Put your hand like that, and put it inside your hand, and then you bang it, yeah.
I should get Kat to run these videos. She actually knows what she's doing. Oh, now I've got too many. Okay, a few pomegranates on top. Pomegranate seeds. Made such a such a mess. They have a ginger fever punch. Really nice color. Looks pretty, looks Christmassy. Tequila on the nose. That agave. Ooh. It's really bright. Pomegranate juice is super vibrant. I wouldn't say super spicy. There's a little bit of a tingle. Just a little bit of tingle. You get those underlying agave notes, a little bit of a spice, super pretty, easy to drink, and my wife would absolutely love this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another video. Cheers.